the curiosity test.
Thank you so much, Edgar. So excited to be here.
Yeah. I'm very excited for this. I love tea, but now I've got a tea bag, maybe some loose leaf tea, but more often than not,
15 yards in the first half off 7 receptions. Walk us through that final touchdown just before the half. How in the heck did he get so wide open? And how can the Rams perhaps try to alleviate that from happening in the second half?
Jesus Christ.
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Fucking hell!
I might pick up some... Holy shit! This guy crashed right in front of me.
Holy shit, it could have been you.
Current video is now lost. Fuck!
Harder, so it takes longer to learn them. But when you're
you can't.
To cover the rest of the floor, we're going to need about 30 times that much concrete.
Then we shall just have to figure out what we can do with 42 feet.
Are you fucking
That's 6
kidding
feet by
me?
9 feet, isn't it?
6 by 7, but not much of a difference, they said.
If you don't, what doesn't work over and over again, it doesn't change, right? But the problem is your story keeps you from finding the strategy. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes people have the wrong strategy for being fit and healthy. I remember, I think it was 15 years ago, on the cover of Time magazine, they said, I think it was 14% of Americans were on the Atkins diet.
Whoa!
let's start living dangerous.
Fuck! Holy fuck! Oh!
So that's super great. Now, here's us sitting is him getting one of those.
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой! Мамочки, Саш.
Все нормально.
Тише, 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 Саш, стоп! Тише, 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 тише.
Сука, блядь.
Козел.
So your boy Ed got a new whip. You gonna die. Oh shit.
The other night, it felt like she dumped ice water on my head. I jerked my gaze from the guy, not wanting to make eye contact if he turned our way.